Hey guys, Wolf here and welcome to the 6th video of Helm Camp. Today we are gonna continue with the wheelies. Hopefully we can get it over the obstacle quite smoothly. And that's pretty much it. Let's get to it.
Tonight, wheelies, wheelies, and still more wheelies.
Hello guys, I forgot to mention, sorta. I'm probably not gonna be talking much here because it's Sunday afternoon or Sunday almost evening. And I'm feeling pretty tired already. But I thought I'm just gonna give it a little training session. So here we are. Right, let's get to it.
So hello again and welcome to another video of the Helm Camp series. Today we are just doing wheelies because I really need to train them and try to get good at them. You might have noticed that there hasn't been a normal Helm Camp video for like a week because, well, I didn't record one and I just want to try something different for a switch. Well, I mean, it didn't do exactly good numbers, so I'm just coming back to this. But that's unimportant. Also, after this one, there might be like a week or 2 week gap in Helm Camp videos because, well, my bike has broken down on my last ride and I just need to fix it. You know what it is. Like, right, let's get back.
That's enough of warm up or warm down because my right wrist is starting to get tired. But I'm gonna get back to the drill like my last video. I'm gonna put down the same log and pop it over and over. You'll see in it. Here, know the drill. Too much fucking cardio.
Here we are again getting to the boring stuff because, well, it's a normal training session. There's nothing too interesting happening, so this is gonna get a lot of cut-throughs. I'm just gonna cut to the best ones, but it's just gonna be back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. You're gonna see.
This was not that good. This one was fucking very good. No, this was very bad. Where's then Michael Jackson? No, not enough gas, and exactly this. I'm saying it doesn't want to go, but I'm too much of a chicken, I think. It was merely enough to avoid the log. And again. And again. And again. Oh, I missed the log completely. Fucking hell. What the fuck happened there? Very lazy, not good at all. Do I drink for a little bit? This is also new. You're going to San Francisco. You're gonna meet some gentle people there. Okay. Good thing is, I think I'm starting to know how to do it. Problem right now. I mean, I've come a long way. In like 3-4 rides I've been doing this. I have come a long way. That's a good thing. The bad thing is I struggle to, I can, right now, I usually am able to bow the wheel like, I don't know, this much of the ground, but that's not even enough to fucking clear that shit. Imagine there being like a 50 centimeter log. Or not 50, 30 centimeter log. How am I gonna clear that? Well, I'm not gonna. So, today I'm still gonna go over that, but I'm trying to figure out what can I put there instead, but there is nothing. What the fuck was that? Why is it so weird now? Nope, I need to fix it. I need to fix ASAP. Get back into position, Pfizer. Good. This was good. Bad. Maybe even worse. Nope. Not enough gas, not enough pump.
After another like 20 minutes of this, my GoPro, this is a tradition on this channel, died again. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Visit my channel, like, subscribe, make sure you do that if you watched all the way here, which I doubt. write in the comments chicken nuggets, and well, like, subscribe, that's all the stuff, and peace.